We have less than 5 minutes to install IBM Cloud Transformation Advisor in Azure Red Hat OpenShift. Let's do it! So our first step is going to be to install the IBM Operator Catalog inside our OpenShift cluster. You can find multiple sources about how to install this operator. I found one for you, which is this one here. This belongs to Cloud Pak for integration, but you have similar for other Cloud Paks. And there you can find some instructions about how to download this and install this operator in OpenShift. The one that you really need to get is this one here, the IBM Operator Catalog. Just copy this code, go back to the console, click on the top of the screen, import YAML, paste it there, and create this resource. After some time, the IBM Operator Catalog will appear as ready. So let's go back to the Operator Hub. And one thing you will find out is that on the left-hand side, in this column, you will see a new provider type, which is the IBM Operator Catalog. In there, you can see products like IBM Cloud Paks, App Connect, and others. So let's find our Transformation Advisor. There you are, IBM Transformation Advisor. So let's install this Transformation Advisor operator. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to create a new namespace. I'm going to call it TA for Transformation Advisor and click on Install. Once it's ready, we can go and check out the operator. To create instances of this Transformation Advisor, you have to click on the Transformation Advisor tab, and then from there we will create this Transformation Advisor. So the first thing you have to do is to accept the license. As a license type, in my case, I have an entitlement for Cloud Pak for Applications 5.1. I'm going to use that one. I will accept the license, and then I have to check out the database persistence configuration. To make it work on Azure, in this case in ARO, you have to use the access mode read-write once. And also I recommend you to double check the storage class. The one we want to use is the one provided by ARO by default, which is called Manage Premium. The last thing we have to do is to provide the pool secret, because this is going to download a series of images from the registry. So in order to specify where these images come from, you have to go to the YAML view. You just have to find the 3 main products that come with Transformation Advisor, which are Transformation Advisor UI, the CouchDB, and the Trans app. How we do provide the secret in here is easy. Just inside the definition of these components, you just have to put the next line. So image pool secret in here, and the name of the pool secret, which is called TA pool secret. Same thing for the other component. And the last one for CouchDB. And that's pretty much all. There is one last step. We haven't defined this secret yet. So let's create this. Let's go to our workloads and create quickly a secret. This secret is going to be an image pool secret. The name is going to be TA pool secret. The registry server address is cp.icr.io. Username is cp. And as a password, we are going to just copy there our entitlement key that can be obtained from the IBM website. Let's click on Create. And the last step is to check out how the installation goes. So for that, we can check out the status of our TA operator. Let's go back to the install operators. You can see there Transformation Advisor. The instance I have created is this one here. Right now it's being deployed, so I can click in there to get more details about what's going on. On the bottom you see the latest condition message that has been fulfilled, and in the resources you can see what's going on. Oh, look at that. I have my CouchDB database, I have my server, I have my UI, everything is already being created. So the last step is to check out if this is really working. So let's go to our routes, which are inside networking, routes, and a new route has been created for me, which is this one here. That's the UI, the main UI for Transformation Advisor. Let's click out. And there you are. Our Transformation Advisor has been installed. Thanks for watching and stay techy.